Imagine you're in the midst of a big energy revolution in India. The country is one of the largest consumers of electricity worldwide, but its grid infrastructure is aging, and new power projects are needed to meet growing demand. That's where Hitachi Energy India Limited comes in, a game-changing player that's helping to unlock this energy potential. Hitachi Energy India Limited is a leading provider of electrical equipment and services for electricity transmission and related activities in India and globally. They offer everything from electric motors, generators, and transformers to distribution and control systems. Their products are designed to ensure reliable, efficient, and safe power generation and transmission, the backbone of modern energy systems. Since its inception in 2019, Hitachi Energy India Limited has been rapidly expanding its business, with a significant focus on international markets. They've got a strong presence in key regions like Asia, Africa, and Europe, where they're working closely with governments, utilities, and other stakeholders to develop new power projects and services. But what really sets Hitachi Energy India Limited apart is their commitment to innovation and sustainability. They're investing heavily in research and development, exploring cutting-edge technologies like renewable energy, smart grids, and energy storage. This forward-thinking approach has earned them a reputation as a leader in the industry, and it's expected to pay off big time. One of the key benefits of Hitachi Energy India Limited is their strong financial performance. With a market capitalization of over $7 billion, they're one of the largest players in their sector. But what really excites investors is their impressive dividend yield, 4%, which means that shareholders can expect regular returns without having to worry about volatility. So why are investors so interested in Hitachi Energy India Limited? Well, for starters, their business model has huge potential for growth. With a strong focus on emerging markets and renewable energy, they're poised to capitalize on the growing demand for clean and efficient energy solutions. Another reason investors are bullish on Hitachi Energy India Limited is their track record of profitability. Since going public in 2021, they've shown impressive earnings growth, a 6.09% increase over the past year. This is because they've been able to balance their costs with strong revenue growth, making them one of the most profitable companies in their sector. Lastly, Hitachi Energy India Limited's diversified business model and global presence make them an attractive investment opportunity for savvy investors. With a range of products and services that cater to different markets and sectors, they're well positioned to navigate the complexities of the energy market, and reap significant rewards as a result. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Use this information at your own risk.